Hello my friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm sharing with you how to turn one large rectangle into a poncho. It's super easy and it's great for beginners. And if you want to make it into a different size, you just need to adjust the length of the chain. The written pattern is available on my website. For this project, I'm using a skinny case from Karen. This is a number 3 yarn, and I use about 1.5 cake, a 5mm hook, a pair of scissors, yarn needle, stitch markers, and measuring tape. Here is my lovely crochet ring. It is beautifully made, and I highly recommend it if you crochet a lot. If you want to find out more, the link is in the description box, so make sure to check it out. Alright, let's get started. To begin the pattern, grab hold the tail and wrap it around your finger like this to make a loop. Then bring the working yarn through the loop. Insert the hook and make a chain of 249 or in multiple of 3. Yarn over, pull through 1, yarn over, pull through 2, 3, 4, 5. For demonstration purpose, I'm making a chain of 24, but go ahead and make a chain of 249. Now we have a chain of 249, in my case 24 for demonstration purpose. To begin round 1, we move the hook and we move 1 chain. So 24 minus 1. Now I have a total of 23 chains. Start on the second chain from hook. 1, 2, this one, and turn to the back and you'll see the little bumps. This one, this one, this one. This is where we're going to insert the hook. So 1, 2, this. And turn to the back, insert into the bump, yarn over, pull through, 2 loops on the hook, yarn over and pull through 2 loops. We just made a single crochet. And again on the next chain, insert, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2 loops. That's 2. Again on the next chain. 3, 4. So this round is placing a single crochet into every chain. By the end of the chain, there's a total of 22 stitches. In your case, you should have a total of 247 stitches. And I'll meet you on round 2. To begin round 2, 3 chains. 1, 2, 3. And this counts as a stitch. And turn to the other side. Place a double crochet into the first stitch, which is the 4th chain from the hook. Yarn over, insert, make sure you insert into 2 loops. Yarn over, pull through, you have 3 loops on your hook. Yarn over, pull through the first 2 loops. And yarn over and pull through the last 2 loops. That's a double crochet. Then skip 1, skip 2. On the next stitch, place a double crochet. Yarn over, insert, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2 loops. Then 2 chain, 1, 2. In the same stitch, place another double crochet to form a V stitch. Now we have a V stitch. Then skip 1, skip 2. On this stitch, place a V stitch. So double crochet, 2 chains, 1, 2, and a double crochet into the same stitch. Skip 1, skip 2, V stitch. And this is the repeat for this round. Skip 2, V stitch, all the way to the end. And I meet you at the end of the round. At the end of the round, on my last 3 stitches, skip 1, skip 2. Place a double crochet on the last stitch. And 1 more double crochet into the same stitch. To begin round 3, 3 chains. 1, 2, 3. And this counts as a stitch. And turn. On the first stitch, which is the 4th chain from your hook, place a double crochet. Now you have 2 stitches on the first stitch. On this chain space, place 3 double crochet. 1, 2, 3. On the next chain space, place 3 double crochet. 1, 2, 3. And that's the repeat. Place 3 double crochet into every chain space. And I meet you at the end of the round. At the end of the round, after placing 3 double crochet into the chain space, on the very last stitch, that's this one, the chain 3 stitch. On top of the chain 3 stitch, 1, 2, 3. Place 2 double crochet. That's 1, and 1 more into the same stitch. To begin the next round, 3 chains. And turn. On the first stitch, place a double crochet. On this stitch, the second stitch of the group of 3, basically skip 1, skip 2. On the next stitch, place a V stitch, double crochet, 2 chains, and double crochet into the same stitch. Skip 1, skip 2. On the next stitch, place a V stitch. And this is a repeat of round 2. From here, alternate round 2 and round 3 for as many times as you like. I stopped after my panel is 23 inches wide. And I meet you on the final round. On my final round, I did 3 double crochet into the V stitch. Then on my last 3 stitches, place 2 double crochet into the top of the chain 3. 1 chain, and turn. On this round, place a single crochet into every stitch. At the end of the round, I'm on my last 2 stitches. Place a single crochet, and don't forget to place a single crochet on top of this chain. One chain, and cut yarn. Now the panel is finished. The last step is to stitch it together. Fold it in half. Once it's folded in half, I place a marker here, which is about 14 inches from the midpoint, but you can make it longer if you want. From this point, you can stitch all the way down or stitch 3 to 5 inches down. Once it's done, your poncho is ready. The way how I stitch it together is that I always insert my needle into the same panel and out from the other panel. And that's all for today. I hope you liked today's project. Please don't forget to comment below to let me know. Also, please smash the like button and subscribe to my channel for more creative ideas. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye!